Let's try over there. Oh, fish on, jeez. I'm sure it's a red, but man, I didn't even reel it. Started to take up the slack and he was already on. That grub, man. That feels like a nice, yeah, it looks like a nice little red. Maybe not little, but decent red. Ooh. Get this rod out of the way here so you can see what we got. Oh yeah, nice red. Looks like a possible slot. Man, I tell you what, I can't beat these Gulp grubs in pearl white. I catch a buttload of fish with this thing. Sorry about the sun. Let me turn this a little bit. Let's see how big he is, see if we want to keep him or